Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In this second video lecture, as you all of know that in the first video lecture we have discussed the how agricultural economy in 19th century got shaped, and as you know our topic is international economic change in 19th century. To understand these economic change, we are discussing the movement of trade, movement of capital, and movement of labor. In previous lecture, we have discussed how these movements happened in the agricultural system of 19th century and how this economy or agricultural economy got integrated in the world. But in today's lecture, our topic is role of technology. To discuss the 19th century world, it is an impossible without a technology. Without technology, we didn't discuss the 19th century world. And this very technology plays an vital role in 19th century economy. Because through this technology, there was various inventions such as steamships, telegraph, telegraph such as steamships, telegraphs, and railways. Railways, telegraphs, steamships. By this very technology, when this very technology increased in 19th century, the world got integrated. The integration, it helped in the integration of the world. And we have seen they also influenced the economic change of the world. By the by this technology, there was leaking of one is leaking of markets. When there was a development in the technology, the modes of transport increased. The goods were imported and exported cheaply. And these goods become affordable to the poor. And when transport when modes of transport increased, the food grains or other goods transported from one area to another area, and this by this we liquid the world markets. The linking of world markets happened. Linking of world markets happened. When there was a linking of markets, there was an impact and upon the goods upon import and export goods, mainly on impact mainly it impacts the impact on meat trade. Before development in the technology, the meat was taken alive, the animals were taken alive from America to Britain, and they were then killed, or they were killed in Britain. And during this shipping process, some animals died, some become ill, and there was a weight loss in these animals. And the little and little meat, or we can say this the material, there was lowering of imported meat, because the whole meat was not available, and there was a price level, rise of price level of this meat. The meat in the market was sold on the high prices. By this developing this technology, now animals were killed at starting point. When these animals were killed in starting point, their meat was transported through refrigerator ships. And when this meat was transported through refrigerator fridges, and it takes low cost, and when it reaches to Britain market, when it reaches to Britain market, its price was low, and even poor people can now afford, even poor people can afford to buy the meat. By this ways, other things such as cheese, butter, eggs were eggs were transported on low shipping prices, and these were easily available in Britain and British market. And by this, there when these things when when the when healthy food was available in the market, it created a social peace, and it created social peace. Because we know, when there is a variety of diet, and when there is a variety of diet in the market, available to the market, and when the people can buy easily these foods, and then there was a social peace within the country. And by this very by creating a social peace through this technology, it helped in separate of imperialism and colonialism of Britain. It helped in imperialism and colonialism of Britain. And by this technology, we can see, and this very technology, that there was a use of various things. One, we have seen, by this technology, by this technological developments, we can see there the flow of trade, because the trade flowed easily, and there was the things were easily traveled from one area to another area on a low prices. Then second, to develop this very technology, such as refrigerator shippers, steam shipping shippers, and and other technologies of transport, they need capital. This To develop this very technology, there needs a capital which came from the financial centers again. And to develop this very technology, to build the ship, to build refrigerated steam ships, to build railways, to build telegraphs, and they needed capital. And this capital came from other countries. Why there was an unemployment? Why there was an unemployment, and the people migrated from areas where and and go those areas where they got jobs. लेबर, सॉरी यहाँ पे लेबर है, तो लेबर जो है जस्ट लाइक एशिया से, अमेरिका से, क्योंकि एशिया और अमेरिका से इसलिए मेनली होती है क्योंकि यहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन ज़्यादा थी एज कम्पेयर जो यूरोपियन कंट्रीज थी, यहाँ अमेरिका था या ऑस्ट्रेलिया था, वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन कम थी. एंड वी हैव अगेन सीन इन दैट टेक्नोलॉजी how this there was a movement of trade or flow of trade, and how this there was a capital movement of capital or flow of capital, and how there was a movement of labor or flow of labor. And we have understand that by this very technology the world integrated. When this world integrated, and when this world economy got integrated day by day, and in and this very economy got changed from slowly and steadily. So then we will, and again in another lecture we will discuss the late 19th century colonialism, and how this very colonialism helped in this economic change of 19th century, and these movements, and we will understand these movements in another lecture through in the late 19th century colonialism. Thank you.